everyone, it's Angela. I'm so excited to come on today to do an Etsy share with you guys and to share these beautiful papers that I got. I got these papers from Etsy from Lots of Bubbles for Me, and there's her information. Her name is Renee, and so I ordered a new Blue Fern Studios called the Bird Waltz, and if you guys watch Gail Augustinelli, you know exactly who is the who the paper was designed by. Oh, what's her name? I know her last name is Bishop, Jen Bishop, and she is Dreams Etc. And I'm not sure if she's on Etsy or not, but anyway, she's also designs her own digitals and whatnot. But these were the extras that she sent with my order. So these are by Eco Park, and it's called You and Me. And I have never seen these papers, but they are so pretty and cute. I just love them. So there was this one. This one, this one, and they're two-sided, which I love, and this one. So this is, it's more like a Valentine's Day kind of paper design, but this is the paper that I am so excited, and I did not open it, and it was packaged very well. Thank you, Renee, for keeping my beautiful papers so perfect for me. Oh, you guys. Oh my God, is it beautiful or what? Look at all these papers you get. Oh, wow. Yes, it is Bird Waltz, designed by Jen Bishop, exclusively for Blue Fern Studios, 2019, made in the USA. Oh, look at those papers, you guys. They are so gorgeous. Oh, these are going to be so fun to create with. Okay, you ready for this? All right, so here's one. Oh, and the paper quality, the feel of the paper is phenomenal. It has such a great weight to it and feel. So I got two of those. I'm not sure if I showed you. I was so busy looking. Front and back. Love it. And then there's this one. Wow. So much detail. Can you guys see all that detail? Just gorgeous. And then there's the little birdie. Get it all in screen for you. And you who out of the way. Very, very pretty paper. Oh, I'm in heaven. I don't want to use it. I'm glad I have two of each, right? So this one's got like the journaling cards on the back, and that's the front. Wow, look at this one. Look at the dragonfly. So pretty. The butterflies on that one. I just love the backgrounds and the layers and layers of different, oh, it just, I don't know if the camera's picking it all up, but it is to die for. Like I said, the weight and the texture of the paper, everything about it. Blue Fern Studios has an awesome, awesome paper quality. They really do. And it's not that much more expensive than, say, any other paper brand, really. I mean, I think this collection with 2 of each page was $22 with shipping. So yeah, I didn't break the bank on it. So pretty. There it is, the bird waltz. I think I opened it up backwards, but that's okay. I saved the best for last. So pretty. I just love the colors, the pinks, the greens, the reds. Oh, so pretty. So again, those are from Lots of Bubbles for Me. Pretty sure she still has some of the bird waltz papers left, but go ahead over there and check out some of the other papers by Blue Fern Studios. And I think she also has like Stamperia and Graphic 45. So go over and check her out. Thanks for watching. See y'all later. Bye-bye.